Let's bury the evidence. Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And this theme could be created by Pacific Gas and Electric, which plans to bury over 10,000 miles of its power lines. Why? It is an effort to prevent its fraying grid from creating wildfires when electrical equipment collides with millions of trees and other vegetation. The daunting project was announced to aim about 10% of the distribution lines and use over 15 billion to hide the evidence. Why? Because in the past, the fraying technology and the fraying power lines created wildfires. We remember the current wildfire, but also the past wildfires, which wiped out villages, which created losses. And not so long ago, this was also part of my morning musings, PG&E pled guilty in a manslaughter case in criminal court. Why is burying the evidence relevant or not relevant if it comes down to legal measures? Here is the thought. If you change as a company the rule how you operate or you create safety measures after an accident happened, this cannot be used in court against you. So a lawyer cannot say, well, they should have prevented this because after this happened, they changed the method. No, it is not allowed to be submitted to evidence to prevent companies from stalling changes to betterment, to a safer world, to a safer environment. So therefore, the move of PG&E to do it right now is certainly a good idea for the future, but it's definitely not dangerous for them because this evidence will not be presented in court. The recently hired CEO unveiled the plans to bury the evidence, so to say, to make it safer. And in a cross-cultural comparison, as a European, it always strikes me strange how many power lines in America are above ground compared to power lines in other parts of the world, which are just buried. It's safer, it looks nicer, and most important, it prevents power outages when some of those trees fall over in case of a bad storm.